Nearly everything that drains your wallet at the mechanic could have been avoided, but the industry counts on you not knowing that. They profit when you panic, overpay, or assume the problem is too complicated to understand. But today that ends, because once you learn these 17 brutally honest car care truths, you'll stop being a customer and start being the one thing mechanics fear most: an informed driver who can't be manipulated. If you think your car is getting the treatment it deserves, wait until you hear this. Let's break the cycle, and it starts with the smallest part on your vehicle quietly messing up your entire fuel system. Tip number 17, treat your gas cap gasket like the 5-cent guardian it is. That tiny rubber ring, it's doing a heavyweight job sealing pressure, locking in vapors, stabilizing your emissions system. But rubber ages like bread, not wine. It dries, cracks, leaks, and triggers that infamous check engine light you thought meant disaster. Once a year, give it a small dab of dielectric grease, twist it a few times, and boom, pressure restored, emissions happy, light stays off. And if it's already brittle, don't pretend you can save it. Replace it. It's cheaper than a sandwich and saves you from a world of headaches. But while that's subtle, the next one can cause a 4-figure repair without you even knowing why. Tip number 16, bleed your brakes when you replace pads. Most people slap new pads on and call it a day. Mechanics often do the same, fast in, fast out. But when you compress a caliper without opening the bleeder valve, all that filthy, moisture-soaked fluid gets shoved backward into your ABS system. And guess what part hates contamination? The ABS module, a part so expensive it makes grown adults whisper. Crack the valve, let the dirty stuff escape, and keep the system clean. Control the fluid, control the longevity. It's that simple. And while we're talking about control, it's time to take back power from the people who use your confusion against you. Tip number 15, own an OBD2 scanner. That glowing little check engine light isn't a mystery, it's a message, and you don't need a shop charging $150 to read it. A basic OBD2 scanner tells you the exact problem in seconds. Misfire, loose sensor, bad cap, evap issue, boom, instant clarity. Some scanners even translate the code into plain English on your phone. Now when you walk into a shop, you're not vulnerable, you're informed, and informed customers don't get hustled. But your dashboard has another trick, and this one's designed to reel you back to the dealership. Tip number 14, reset your maintenance light yourself. It's not a warning, it's a reminder, a timer, a gentle nudge from the manufacturer helping you stroll into their service department again. Resetting it takes seconds. Follow your model's steps, clear it, and track your own maintenance with Trip B or Trip 2. That's ownership, not obedience. Now buckle up, the next one exposes one of the biggest marketing lies in the auto world. Tip number 13, stop believing in miracle fuel additives. If these bottles were as magical as the labels claim, cleaner engines, massive gains, boosted mileage, gas companies would use them already. Some products do help, but only in specific cases: older cars, cheap fuel history, or neglected systems. For most people, a clean filter and decent gas outperform 99% of those shiny bottles. Don't buy hope in a can. And speaking of buying, the next mistake looks harmless but can shorten your battery's life before you even start your first drive. Tip number 12, never buy old car batteries. A battery sitting on the shelf for months is dying quietly. Check the date. Aim for one less than a month old. Charge it before installing. A fresh battery keeps you starting strong, an old one leaves you stranded on the coldest morning of the year, guaranteed. Now let's talk about a habit almost everyone gets wrong. Tip number 11, stop topping off your gas tank. When the pump clicks, you're done. Anything extra? It floods your charcoal canister, ruins your vapor system, degrades emissions, wastes money, damages your paint, and can literally create a fire hazard. Topping off isn't a hack, it's a hazard. Pump click equals stop. And while your fuel system breathes, your engine breathes too, but only if you let it. Tip number 10, replace your air filters on time. A clogged filter doesn't filter better, it suffocates your engine. Less air equals incomplete combustion equals sluggish power, low mileage, and internal wear. Replace it regularly. And don't forget your cabin filter unless you enjoy breathing recycled dust and mystery funk. Next, a tiny part with a massive impact. Tip number 9, check your PCV valve. This little valve vents pressure and keeps sludge from forming inside your engine. When it clogs, your engine suffers quietly: rough idle, leaks, high oil consumption, sludge buildup. Shake it if it rattles, good. If not, replace it. It's cheap insurance against expensive disasters. But nothing screams performance killer like this next one. Tip number 8, don't ignore your spark plugs. They're small, they're cheap, and they're responsible for everything your engine does. Worn plugs kill acceleration, fuel economy, and cold starts. Check them, replace them early. Your engine will respond instantly, smoother, stronger, cleaner. Now let's zoom out from small parts to the lifeblood of your entire machine. Tip number 7, check all your fluids, not just your oil. Transmission fluid breaks down, coolant corrodes, brake fluid absorbs moisture, power steering fluid ages. These aren't optional, they're essential. Mechanics love saying lifetime fluid. That's marketing, not maintenance. And while fluids matter, the only thing connecting your car to the road could be telling you a different story. Tip number 6, maintain your tire pressure and alignment. Your eyes can't measure SI. Alignment drifts from curbs, potholes, even speed bumps. Misalignment destroys tires, kills fuel economy, and turns your steering sloppy. Check pressure weekly. Alignment every 6,000 to 10,000 miles. Tires are the shoes of your car, don't run on broken ankles. Next, a 30-second inspection that can save your engine from total collapse. Tip number 5, inspect your belts and hoses. Cracks, bulges, soft spots, these are time bombs. A snapped belt kills power steering, alternator life, or your cooling system instantly. A burst hose can overheat your engine in under a minute. Look now or pay later. And now, the winter habit almost everyone gets wrong. Tip number 4, don't blast the heater immediately after startup. Your heater steals warmth from coolant. Turn it on too early and your engine warms up slower. Cold metal equals extra wear. Thick oil equals weak protection. Wait for the gauge to rise slightly, then enjoy the warmth guilt-free. But nothing destroys engines faster than impatience. Tip number 3, never rev a cold engine. Cold oil moves slowly. Revving early causes metal-on-metal contact.